I just wanted to give you a few quick steps for putting a hold on a book so that you could get titles checked out directly to you. There are a variety of ways to access Sedgefield's library webpage. You can go in through the library Canvas page and click on the image of the Sedgefield Library webpage, or you can go in through the Sedgefield homepage, click on library, and it will bring up that Sedgefield webpage. Okay, when you do that, once you get to the library's webpage, you're going to click on the Access Follett Destiny button to the right side of the page. When you click on that, it'll bring up Destiny Discover, and to place a hold, you must log in. So you'll see login in the very top right corner of the page. Notice the corner tags on the books. It'll say in or out. If it's out, you can still place a hold on it. You just are going to have to wait a little while for it to come in. And once it does come in, if you're next in line, you will get that book. When you log in, you're going to log in using your Newport News information. Your first name dot your last name. Your password will be your lunch number. And then you need to click submit to bring up this page. It'll say welcome, your name to Sedgefield Elementary. That way you know you're in, and you will be able to search 3 ways. You can either click on a book cover and put a hold on it that way. You can click on a topic, which will bring up a list of books that you can browse through, or you can put a specific title or author into the search box, clicking on the magnifying glass, and it'll bring up a series, let's say Dork Diaries. And you'll see that one is available as a print copy, and there's a hold button there that you can press. If it doesn't have a hold button, then it means it's an ebook and you need to visit Sora, and that's a whole nother lesson. But when we see the hold, once you put it on there, we'll see it because the system will generate that for us, and we will pull the books when they are available. We'll check them out to you, and we will deliver them to your classroom as soon as possible. Happy reading!